So I got some rescue chickens I had to rescue. I found this old chicken coop out here on the property. Nice little pond. I had to throw them in it, so don't judge me on it. It's still a work in progress. I had to get them somewhere quick. They were dying where he's at, so. But they're happy. Snag box, I gotta freaking get in there and get cleaned out. Another run over here. We've already made a mess of the waters. I got this. I mean, there's no power back here right now is the point, but brooder boxes. Kids in a run. Rooster back there. And these girls like